Muna siya ang first day sa cruise. All the way to Alaska. So, sea day. Tapos, the next day, the day after tomorrow will be Ketchikan. And then Glacier in the morning. And then Juneau. Then Skagway. Then sea day. And then Victoria, Canada. And back to Seattle. First day on cruise. Mo gini yung angay buhaton. Safety first. Karon magawas na diri sa deck 15. So, kaning deck 15, nadari ang rooftop garden. Muna siya ang rooftop garden. Muna siya sa sulod. Niya, basa-basa gito, gawan gid siya gikan. So, mo nang wala ko kasuri ganina hapon. How are you guys? Hi. Okay, good morning, sunshine. First port of call, and I'm going all the way to the gangway now. We are here in Ketchikan, Alaska.
I like this little time we have together, just talking.
Hello mga pam. Okay, nana ko diri sa gawa sa gangway. Gangway sa Ketchikan, Alaska. Gauwan man siya, eh. It's raining in Ketchikan. Hindi ka ba nilalamig? Hello mga fam. I'm back here in Ketchikan, Alaska. I'm running now because it's raining. Mudak mo diri sa Ketchikan, makakita giganing iyang American Eagle. So muna mong barko sa Liberty Edge. Welcome to Alaska, first city, Ketchikan, the salmon capital of the world. They always have a good price here. I'm going inside the tunnel. Okay, I'm going to the donut place. Shout out to Valentino at Sea. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit. So that is the place with donuts. I think I'm gonna buy this one. I'm gonna try this one. Alright guys, we're going across now to the street to Jellyfish Donuts.
I watched your smile turn crooked. Silence, the sirens got me under attack. Why'd you do me like that? You're so mean.
those are the prices. Muna ilang price diri sa donut. Salmon.
Everybody that just walked in, we have menus.
Tapos sila coffee. Tapos sila smoothie. Tapos sila dumplings.
So our best sellers are salmon donut.
Salmon?
Yes, it's a smoked Alaskan sockeye that we mix with cream cheese. We put that on top of the donut with chocolate on top.
And that's the $10, right? How about the chocolate one?
The chocolate one over there is just plain chocolate with sprinkles. We have
Okay.
like a chocolate sea salt, an Oreo, we have a Reese's.
Thank you. So I might get the... What is the next to the salmon? To the chocolate? Chocolate.
Or this one
Yeah, yeah. What is that, the next one?
over here.
Yeah.
Maple bacon.
Maple bacon. Maybe I get that one.
You want to do that one?
Yeah, and also cappuccino.
Cappuccino?
Yeah,
Do you want a 16 ounce or a 12 ounce?
just 12 ounce.
Alright.
So muna akong gikuha. This?
Maple bacon.
Maple bacon.
$5.42 is your change.
Thank you. 2 shots of cappuccino, right?
Yeah, 2 shots.
Thank you.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying
Lami gyud kayo lang donut. Labi nag first time nimo makatilaw. Lami gyud kayo lang donut gito eh. As in makaingon ka ganang grabe ang lamig talaga. Sa Tagalog pa lamig ang lamig. So guys, that was the Ketchikan. Did you like it? And now I'm inside the elevator. I'm going all the way to 14. Let's check outside while we're sailing away from Ketchikan all the way to Juneau. Maybe they have a nice view there next to the magic carpet. Okay? Ato tanawang karon. Okay. Oh, mo ni magic carpet. Uy, nakalock man siya. They lock it tonight. So, di lang takasulit sa magic carpet. Pero mo ni siya diri ang magic carpet. Yeah, mo ni gitawag na, they call this cabana. Ano siya diri sa deck 14. Sayang di kita sa magic carpet, di kasulod. Pero sige lang, kay weekly vlogs man eh. So, one day, maybe tomorrow. Unang view ni diri. May saka ko diri sa deck 15. Muna siya ibabaw sa magic carpet. Nara magic carpet dia. So, gikan na ni siya sa... Gikan na mi sa Ketchikan. Look what I'm wearing. That's why I'm catching my breath because it's really cold. Time check. Good morning, Juneau. It's like 10 minutes to 7 a.m. I'm going up to show you the glacier. Alright guys, see you there. So before me mudak diri sa Juneau, muagi gid mi diri sa glacier, which is kana bitong daghang kay ice. So kanila ini nga side, so mo 360 gid ang barko. Nara magic carpet to. So this side, makita nimo ang glacier. Ako lang i-zoom in para maklaro gid ninyo ba. Pero ako i-zoom in ha, zoom in ako. Ako siya zoom out kung sa siya kalayo sa barko. Naanay reason nga nung layo kayo ni sa glacier. Kay matud pa nila, safety first. So muna siya ang glacier. Pero pwede po mo nga mo-book og tour para mo-duol dito kay mga nasa gamay nga barko na mo-boat para tour ba. So ito diri mo sulod na diri sa magic carpet. Napoy dagan tao diri po. Morning, Chief. So mo 360 ang barko, hinahinay yung tuyo para makagta ang tanan. Karon nasa diri dapit ang glacier. Okay na siya mo niyang security diri nga the best nga security sa edge class. Serve the edge. So mo pay paghuman namo sa among first set. There is a Juno, nya karon pag mi nakagawas. So when you get off from the ship, naay bus, naay line sa bus diri. Pero taas-taas ang line pero dali ra na kay dagan man bus. Pero that's all free for bus. Free all the way to the town. This is under canopies and other bus. Dali pud mi gi naog. Dali pud mi pick up on niya. So let's go walk around. Okay guys, sa wala pa kabalo, muna siya ang Juno, Alaska. Okay, it looks like 18th century, pero modernized na siya. So busy gid ni siya ang Juno pag na barko, pero yun sila mga local. Mingaw gid kay ini kung walay barko, kung walay cruise ship. So that's what the local said. But this season is a cruise ship season, so busy gid at least ang business, alive ang business. Musod ta kadali diri. Let's check their hoodies. The price of hoodies. T-shirts. Sige lang kay next na akong vlog is mga shops diri sa Juno, Ketchikan og sa Alaska. Muna ang i-shot karon. So mo gini ang mga shops diri. The king crab. I heard it was $70. Mo na ni dire ang pinaka main nga street nila. Kani oh. So this is what they call the boardwalk. Muna siyang boardwalk all the way down dito sa mga shopping, groceries. Kung ganahan mo mag-book og tour, dili mo mag-book sa barko, pwede rin sa mo dali mag-book. Kani sila dali. While watching glacier tour, city tour. It's nice weather today. And kani sila nga barko, mga gagmay ni sila nga barko mo nang diri sila nagdak dool sa dool gid sa Trump nya dool sa town. So ato sa waton kay saka naman ni mo under naman siya. Nana. Actually, ang price ana before libre pa to sa crew. Ano, $10 ang crew way back before pandemic. Pero karon I heard ang crew $30 na. Nindot kayo sa taas. Puhon ako ng YouTube, ako ng i-vlog para makita mo. Muna siya ang Trump all the way up to Mount Robert. We call this Gold Belt Trump. So musaka na siya padung sa taas sa bukid. Kani nga season, kani nga buwan, naapa ni sila napay snow dagan sa taas. Restaurant famous po ni siya diri sa una, which is naanagid ni diri dugay na 18th century pa daw ni siya nga building. Gilinyahan sa Filipino convenience store na siya. So diri padalag kwarta, ingaw sad ka mga junk food. Ada ka diri? Ay. Sige lang kaya ako rin ito yung sunod. Mga noodles oh. Goreng. Oh. Diba? So di na po kayo mingawon ang crew. Hinara may mapalit sad. Nya diri po ka pwede padala kag kwarta. Hindi ka mag-online banking. Dala ka kwarta diri. Pwede drink so. So di ragid mingawon ang mga Pilipino. Taas kay linya. Actually they're from Cebu, Philippines. Mga taga Cebu, mga diri. Ang tagiya na taga Cebu. Napoy usa diri sa atbang oh. Sige lang puhon ako rin ng i-vlog. Mukhaon ko diha ako ng testingan. Ako na i-try puhon. Niya mabalik na ta, mutuyok na ta, muna siyang boardwalk. Sir, ayos lang. Manila Square? Diyan lang. Yan. So mga Pilipino to, pasahero. Mutanagin sila kung asa ang Manila Square. Moto siya katong gilabyan na to kanina. Nga sa gawa sa tong Pilipino na i-bar dere o. Cool kayo ba? Pang chillax. Mga kuwan sa bar sa Cebu. I'm going back now. I'm gonna be in the line again with the bus because it's just start the day, so it's always like this. kung mapagipagsugod sa adlaw. Mga unyaan ni wa na kinitao, nagililinya.
I woke up coming home on the East train, barely alive. All I could hear was the sound that the breeze made. Watching days.
So, nanasad mi diri karon sa Skagway, Alaska.
Everybody's getting on and off, and I start to wonder if I miss my stop. If I'm just
Nag-short lang ko guys, oh. Pero bugnaw gid siya. Okay? Yeah, maglakaw lang ta. Kadali. Ngita lang po tag internet kay akong SIM card wala signal dire. Naman ta na to last time pero karon magulo. So sige lang, I hope magka-signal. Okay, let's just walk around. So nabot na mi. So thank you so much. See, it's like 1 minute ride to come here. And the nice thing here kay kaning Skagway, dito sa Dilakaw diri kay yung view, awang view.
looking back at the time that I wasted, stood at the edge of my desire, but I never faced it.
So this is going to be a 10 minutes walk all the way to the town.
I gotta see it in a different way.
Daghang Dilakaw, mga kuwan pa pala sila. Mga pasahero man sa din sila.
That I don't know. 'Cause you know I'd never make this up. I've never been the type to push my luck.
Ang lamig talaga.
Can't afford to miss
Ang lamig.
one to make, and I
It's a nice side, no?
I'm going wheels up on the east side, maybe cross a couple borders and see those northern lights.
Sumusakay na sad mi ating shuttle kay before makalakaw mo gud diha padung dito. Pero safety lang daw kay landslide man daw before day. So mo nang sumusakay na lang mi dito. Dulo kay ni mga 1 minute ni mulakaw na sa.
Next year comes around.
So right here is the main downtown of Skagway. Muna siya pinaka main street sa Skagway. Red Onion Saloon. Kahapon sa Juno na ako'y Red Dog. So karon dere, actually famous dere is popcorn and ice cream. So Mono, this is the main street in Skagway. See, as you can see, there are a lot of tourists from many other ships. There are 4 ships docking today. And of course, they also are famous of gold mine. We're here sa ice cream place, so Cone Company. Sikat kay ni dere. Lami sa kailang ice cream dere. Next time, I will try one of this ice cream. Uy, nahulog oh. It's a fake one. Nasa sila clean this.
Looking back at the time that I wasted, stood at the edge of my desire, but I never faced it. Now I know where all of the time goes.
It's good, there's no line today.
I gotta see it in a different way. Tell myself that it's not too late.
Oh, this is nice, man. So, na line there is so look. After check. Sikat gid diri. Kanila hay pud nga store. This is different store. They have good hats. Apple bags, of course. And then kasagaran diri jacket man.
You know I'd never make this up. I've never been the type to push my luck. I'm going wheels up from the
Magnets.
across a couple borders and see those northern lights. Finally take it all in with my own eyes.
sapatos. Those are good shoes for hiking. Hindot kayo ng sapatos good pang lakaw. So magawa siya sa tagbalik. Yeah. Ato doon ng ice cream nga place nga sikat dali. Parang ice cream na place sikat dali sa Skagway na dito. So guys, I get into the store. It's like very good store for backpackers or mountaineerings. So look at their bags. Oh, nandun yung mga bag, oh. North Face, oh. Original gining North Face dere, of course, sa Alaska. Look. Nasa lang yung binoculars. Oh, kulit pa good. T-shirt. Pang hiking shoes. It's nice. Ang ako giginahan dari ang mga bags good. No? Look at mga bags. These are expensive back home in Philippines.
I like this little time we have together just talking.
Sige lang kayo, next time isuri ka mong diri sa Skagway. Okay, ang content man kung Skagway lang yun po. Okay? Hindi ko nakita nga signal diri na wifi. Way back katong pandemic, I mean, before pandemic, usually na ako diri ng Filipino restaurant. Kani siya, oh. Kaning Gold Digger. Filipino restaurant ni sa una. Oh, napaganing sign, no? Filipino restaurant. Dari lamig yung pagkaon dari. Ambot asa na sila karon. Masin wala na sila dari. Close na. Pero nindot yung pagkaon. Lamig sa yung pagkaon dira. Filipino. So, ang ubang Pilipino kung mingaw ng pagkaon, wala gid ya. Sa una. Karon ambot asa na sa Skagway. Sa Juno na amay. Sa Ketchikan na po yung restaurant Filipino. So during nga part, kung ano siya ka ng lain po niya nga streets. Lain niya siya nga street. Pag muadto ka dito, if you're going there, all the way down, there's a basketball court, na cemetery. Nindot po dilakaw dito na waterfalls. What po rata po? We'll see. Ano siya diri? Ah, okay. Grocery pa gid siya. Una, gamay ra gid siya. Boom. Uy. Kita magkog Philippine money. 50 pesos na sa akong short. Niyuga siguro ni sa laundry. So muna ng grocery diri. Gusto mo itong palito na? Ah, kini. I need this one. So for now, kanira akong need. There is a grocery. Mabayad na ko. So on this part here, you can smell popcorn. Look. It's famous here also. Ah, popcorn nila, oh. Look, the popcorn place. Humot kayo. So, his favorite, buffalo bread. Hidden Valley Ranch. Madalo. Look at that. Sige lang, next time I will try everything food here in Skagway. Oh, gold fever. Very good. Masarap, lami. So nibalik na ko diri sa bus padong sa barko. Guys, I'm putting my jacket on. Time check is 8 p.m. Look at here. Awa, unsa ka bugnaw and unsa ka bright pa. So we're sailing out from Skagway all the way to Victoria. Pero ugma, sea day pa mi ugma. Sea day pa. Gusto mo ng magic carpet na sana. So nag-sea day ni karon, ugma maabot mi sa Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. Ato ta sa Ocean View. Mag-snack na lang ta. So all the way back, napoy pizza. All the way back, there is a Deck 14 Ocean View. Apo siya pizza there yung pasta? O, pizza lang, pizza. So, di ka gutumon if you're in the ship. You won't get hungry. So, we're here sa Ocean View Cafe. I'm starving after the 2 sets. So, mga snack ta. Wash your hand, good na. Wash your hand, good na. Wash your hand. Yung mga cake, oh. Napot sila yung salad. Sumoro niya akong gikuha, oh. I just saw my friend here. This guy. Stefan. How are you, Stefan? Look at outside. Still bright. Muna siyang poolside. It's nice, right?
I like this little time we have together, just talk.
Gikan sa gugas snacks. Kaya na may snacks 10 to 12. 10 to 1 a.m. sa Ocean View. Yung karon pa doon natukar. Kaya naman may set na ako karon tonight. So ugma, sine me. Walang kay ko ka vlog the whole morning because I was busy also with my job. Pero tanawa doon rin, nindot kayo. Magsiga-siga na siya. See? 10:05 p.m. and still bright. Muna ako amigo si Enrich. Taga-ko na siya, taga Labangon Tisa. So last season padung mi sa Victoria. Kanya muna mong last port of call in Victoria. So unya mo to kami alas 3 sa hapon sa plaza. Ganun si Enrich, nag-work ni siya sa asa ka work dong sa Gali, no? Oh.
I'm working on the retreat.
Retreat, no surrender. Retreat, mga VIPs na sila, mga mahal na sila og kanang itong sila ko sila dong.
Mahal, like
Sila-
5K pinakabarato.
5,000 ang pinakabarato. Each.
Dollars na ha?
$5,000.
So,
Una
grabe.
akong weekly vlog.
Grabe mga kapamilya kay kanang puno gud ni permi o kana bang naanatanan. So sa kayang gibuhat, book na.
Sakay na. Ano, magkaon sa ko, ah. Okay. So finally, we just docked here in Victoria, Canada. This is the last port of call for this cruise. Tomorrow morning we'll be in Seattle. We're back in Seattle. So this is the port here. That's our ship. Cervite Edge.
Everybody's getting on and off, and I start to wonder if I miss my stop, if I'm just
so mo ni siya ang exit niya. Dire sad ka mo balik. As a sign of welcome to Victoria, Canada. See, welcome crew and seafarers. How are you? Good. Welcome back. Yes, ma'am. How's your day?
Very good.
This is the place. I'm trying to see they have the for coffee and a chocolate.
And I don't gotta wait till next year comes around.
All the crew are welcome here. And we are friends here. We're home, away from home. So I'm going to have a coffee right now.
I gotta see it in a different way. Tell myself that it's not too late. There's still so much that I don't know. Cause you know I'd never make this up. I've never been the type to push my luck, but I can't afford to miss the memories I've been wanting to make, and I can't wait. I'm going wheels up from the east side, maybe cross a couple borders and see those northern lights. Finally take it all in with my own eyes. It's time to write my story, got my whole life waiting for me. I see the bigger picture and I know I'm gonna figure it out.
So muna siyang gift shop dere.
And I don't gotta wait till next year comes around.
Tote bag. Welcome. Quick tour lang ta. Kani nga shop kay pas po ko sa oras. Muna sila. Ini. Shades.
You know I'd never make this up. I've never been the type to push my luck. I'm going wheels up from the east side, maybe cross a couple borders and see those northern lights. Finally take it all in.
That's me.
With my own eyes. It's time to write my story, got my whole
So
life
nice
waiting
siya.
for me. I see the bigger picture and I know I'm gonna figure it out. And I don't gotta wait till next year comes around.
All done. One and done.
Unya, muna siya. Unya, muna siyang entrance pa dong sa barko kung mabalik na ka. Unya, kung if you want necessity, personal necessity, na po siya washroom dito. Look at the sunset. But you know what? The time now is like 8:45 p.m. 8:45 in the evening. But look. Doing the sunset. Beautiful. Alright. So guys, naami diri sa Seattle, you know. Mo ni among home port. Home port na mo ni diri mo pick up mi diri og mga pasahero tapos lain na sa mga cruise. So naglakaw-lakaw ko diri. Yan gikan ko sa Ross. Di lang kayo ko mag-vlog diri sa dalang kay dagang kay homeless. Ilang nandiyan ang homeless, ilang i-welcome diri mo ingon nila. Karon ato ko sa public market place, bike place. So mo ni pinaka-famous diri nga market na public market center. Mo ni siya gitawag nga Pike Place Center, Pike Place Market. Filipino restaurant pa. Doon sa Pike Place, yun. As in, naarag sa Pike Place. Nadali sunod kanina sunod ako. Ganito rin. So, mga tindahan ni siya. Unya, so nahan, nade ang Filipino nga kanang pagkaon. Yun na po sila shop di sa Filipino. Mo ni siya, oh. We serve masarap Filipino food. Dugay na kayo sila dari. They've been here for a long time already, since 90s. Musta? Now, dagang kayong mga picture. Mga artista na muna sila. Ay, kumusta po? Nya, pag napot sila baligya mga bag, tote bag. Nya, napot sila grocery diri pala Pilipino. Nya, paggawas ni mo ana, nara ang Pike Place, oh. Oh. Naarag sila next to the public market sa Pike Place. Oh, mo nilang sulod na rin. Sila glasses. Employees only. So una makasulod mi pero karon dili na. Kay do you know what they said that they open for homeless ang Seattle. So daghang kay homeless. So walang di na pud basta-basta makasulod pag mga tindahan. Sila magnets. Sila ni, oh.